1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just a perfect day. Drink sangria in the park. And then later, when it gets dark, we go home. Such a perfect day. Feed animals in the zoo. And then later, a movie too, and then home. Oh, it's such a perfect day. I'm glad I spent it with you. Oh, such a perfect day. You just keep me hanging on. You just keep me hanging on. You're going to reap just what you sow. You're going to reap just what you sow. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Perfect Day by Louis Reed. I'll show you how to do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's jump right in. And you're going to reap just what you sow. So this song has 5 different parts, but the first thing we have to say is that it is in 3/4, which means that we are counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So the intro starts with F, but F with a pinky on the 3rd fret of the A string, the little C here. Okay? And then to A sharp minor. And you are repeating these 2 times. This is the simple way to do it. I'm doing a little something more. I'm doing a little pick. When I grab the F chord like this, I strum it. 1, 2, 3. And then on the next 3, I'm playing on the A string. 3, 1, 3. Kind of barring with the pointing finger like this while grabbing the F. And getting it back to 3. Okay. And then grabbing the A sharp minor, but the pinky goes now on the 4th fret. Okay, then removing it, and then E string. All right. And after that we go to the verse, which starts with A sharp minor, again with the pinky on the 4th fret. Just a perfect day, to D sharp, and then to G sharp. Drink sangria in the park. To C sharp, I'm avoiding the A string at first, and then I play actually C sharp major 7, and then to F sharp, and then later to D sharp minor, which after F sharp, you just put the pinky on the 3rd fret of the C string, and then to F. All right, that's a little detail. Let me show it to you. So first I'm playing just the C and E string, and then just the A and G string. Then I put the pinky on the 3rd fret here of the A string, and then I grab F barred right here on the 5th fret, and with the pinky on the 8th fret like this. And what I do is E, A, G, and getting back to the beginning. So let's see how this goes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Just a perfect day. Drink sangria in the park. And then later, when it gets dark, we go home. Such a perfect day. Feed animals in the zoo. And then later, a movie too, and then home. Here I'm doing a little bit more strums, trying to prepare the instrumental for the chorus, which should be a little bit louder, and it starts with A sharp, but major this time, okay? Oh, it's such a perfect day, to D sharp, and then to D minor. I'm glad I spent it with, to D sharp again. And here we have, on the first three, we are just playing the D sharp, and after that, on the next three, we are doing this on the C string. 3, 2, open. Oh, it's such a perfect day. I'm glad I spent it with you. Back to A sharp. Oh, such a perfect day, to F. And here we have G minor to F to D sharp. Again, you just keep me hanging on. And here, just the first chorus, we have one more time D sharp, and after that we go to the second verse. Just a perfect day. And then when you do the second verse and the second chorus, on the second chorus, the D sharp is just once. You just keep me hanging on. You just keep me hanging on. And here we go to the next part, which is the instrumental part. And I think that it fits really nice, the ukulele. Basically, it's holding G minor to F to D sharp, and you can hold this 3 times, but I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm barring on the 5th fret right here, and with the middle finger on the 6th fret of the E string, ring finger on the 7th fret of the C string. This is another way to grab G minor. And on the strum, I'm trying to avoid the G string. I strum the C, E, and A string, and then I'm going between the A string and G string. So I strum. Okay, then I remove the ring finger and middle finger. This is F6 basically. And again the same. Okay, and then I grab D sharp major 7, barring on the 3rd fret with the pinky on the 5th fret of the A string. Strumming, and then removing the pinky. Then G string, again A string, G string. Sliding the whole shape back to the 5th fret, playing the G string and grabbing it all over again. So slowly. So we repeat it 3 times and we get to the next part. And here the next part we start with D minor, but I'm grabbing D minor right here with the bar on the 5th fret and the ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string. You're going to reap to G sharp, just watch it, so to D sharp, and again this woke, D sharp, D, C to A sharp. And you repeat it, and this is the outro basically. Just watch your soul. to read just what she saw. You're going to read just what she saw. And you can finish it like this. Well, I think that this sums up the whole song. This one was requested by my patrons. Actually, I was looking at it for some time now, but I decided to do it today. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button because this helps us a lot. And also, subscribe to the channel. Suggest songs in the comments below. And you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.